Hello, and welcome to Prompt to Profit. Today, we're going to do a live demonstration of how to use ChatGPT in our everyday life. So, open my screen here. I'm on the home screen of ChatGPT, and on the left here, you can start a new chat and create a new chat here on the left here. And then these are the chat that I had in the past on my ChatGPT. So these are the things I've done. I've used it to create a QR code for booking that I'm going to put in the property. I've used it to make business cards that have a QR code in it. I've used it to make business inquiries and generating business ideas, writing professional emails, writing AI posts. So these are the things I've used ChatGPT to do in the past. So that will automatically be organized for you on the left. And then at the bottom here, you can upgrade your plan. So depending, you're going to have a free plan to start with. So you can upgrade your plan there. Another thing I would like to tell you also is that all the information that you made will be arranged on the left. So you don't need to worry about organizing that. And now I'm going to show you a live demonstration how to write a prompt and how you can have an improved prompt to give you a better answer. So my first prompt is to write a Facebook post about AI. And my second prompt, which is going to be the improved version of the first prompt, so that we can compare it and see, um, you know, when you made an improvement to your prompt, that the reply that you get is always going to be better. So if you give a detailed information, you get equally exactly details outcome from the information you inputted into the ChatGPT. So my second prompt is act as a professional social media marketer. Write a Facebook post promoting my beginner AI course called Prompt to Profit. The audience is entrepreneur, so I've been specific here by mentioning that my audience are entrepreneurs and small business owner. Use an attention grabbing hook. Here, there wasn't anything specific about how I want the hook to be written. And also, keep the paragraph short, include emojis, finish with a call to action. If you notice, I didn't write that in my first prompt. So let's go and see what answer we're going to get. Let's go and see what answer we're going to get by giving this prompt. So write a Facebook post about AI. I'm going to do enter. Okay. So you can see here all the answers are very generic. It says artificial intelligence is no longer just a glimpse of a future. It is already transforming the way we work. If you take notice, there's no hook or attention grabbing on this. Okay, the way we work. Learn, create, and solve problem. From helping students to study to assisting business with smarter decision, AI is becoming a powerful tool in everyday life. The key isn't to fear AI, it is to learn how to use it responsibly. So you can see this information is just generic because this is because of the information I put about writing a Facebook post about AI. So let's compare that to the second prompt, which is Act as a professional social media marketer. Write a Facebook post promoting my beginner AI course called Prompt to Profit. I'm also telling the audience here, I say the audience is entrepreneur and small business owner. So that's being specific as to what I want this post to be about. And then use an attention grabbing hook. Keep paragraph short, include emojis, and finish with a call to action. So you can see the second prompt is more details than my first prompt. So let's copy this and see what result we get out of giving an accurate information as compared to giving a generic information. I'm going to do enter there. It's also showing side by side response. So whichever one you prefer. So let's go with that one. So here is saying still spending hours on task AI could do in minutes. That's our hook. And you can see the first one hasn't got any hook. Okay, and this is supposed to be a Facebook post about AI. Okay, so it's giving us a hook straight away, which makes it better than the first prompt that we wrote. If you're an entrepreneur or small business owner, you are already wearing enough hats. What if you had an AI assistant that will help you write content, generate marketing ideas, create emails, and save you valuable time every single day? That's exactly what you are going to learn in Prompt to Profit. So you even mentioned Prompt to Profit there because this is a course about Prompt to Profit. So that's power of giving that's the power of giving an accurate prompt. You get an accurate answer. The beginner's friendly AI course is designed for people with zero technical experience. You discover how to write effective prompts that help you create social media content faster, write emails marketing copy with ease, brainstorm business ideas in seconds, and boost productivity and free up your time. No confusing jargon, no coding, just practical AI skills you can start using immediately to grow your business. Ready to ready to work smarter, not harder. Comment prompt below or send me a message to learn more about Prompt to Profit. Here you can see the call to action that we requested from the prompt that give me a finish with a call to action. So you can see the call to action is ready to work smarter, not harder. Comment prompts because you're telling your audience what you want them to do next, which is very important. Otherwise, there wouldn't be any point in writing a post and you're not gonna give the audience what you want them to do. So comment prompt below or send me a message to learn more about Prompt to Profit and start using AI to save time and increase your profit. So this is very specific, and as you can see, this is um, also giving more information to the audience so as to encourage them to comment or to make a decision as to regarding the post. So um, so another thing I would also like to say about the subscription, depending if you have a free version, you may have access to different modules and features, and this can change over time. So your screen may look slightly different from mine right now. Although the free version is very excellent for getting started, you know, why the pay plan may include additional capability such as faster performance access to more advanced module and extra tools. But for this demonstration, the kit concepts are the same, whichever version you are using. So we can see the power of writing more detailed prompts. So basically, that's the power of writing more detailed prompt. And that is the end of the lecture. Thank you.